Hook 1. If you want the crew to love you and fellow passengers not to roll their eyes every time you walk by, avoid these 15 cruise habits that instantly ruin your reputation. 15. Blocking hallways like it's your living room. Cruise hallways are narrow, and stopping right in the middle for selfies or group chats creates instant traffic jams. People behind you may be late for dinner or an excursion, and nothing annoys a cruiser faster than someone treating the hallway like a private lounge. 14. Hogging deck chairs for hours. The infamous chair hog behavior. Leaving a towel at sunrise and disappearing until noon. Most cruise lines are starting to crack down on this, but passengers still hate it. If you're not actively using the chair, don't claim it. 13. Cutting in buffet lines. The buffet is crowded and everyone is hungry. Cutting the line or sending one person to grab food for 10 instantly raises tempers. Cruise guests appreciate fairness, and nothing feels worse than waiting while someone skips ahead. 12. Being loud in cabin hallways late at night. People pay a lot of money to sleep comfortably on board. Slamming doors, shouting, or drunken hallway conversations at 1 a.m. make you the enemy of the entire floor. Keep the noise down. Sound travels easily on ships. 11. Ignoring elevator etiquette. Pushing in before others get out, taking the elevator for one floor, or blocking the door frustrates everyone. If you're able, using the stairs also eases the crowd during peak times. 10. Leaving trash everywhere. Some passengers leave cups, plates, and napkins on tables, pool decks, and hallways, expecting crew to magically clean everything. Not only is it rude, it also slows down service for everyone else. 9. Treating crew members rudely. Crew members work incredibly hard, often 12+ hours a day. Yelling at them, snapping fingers, or being disrespectful makes other guests uncomfortable. Kindness costs nothing, and people notice when you're a jerk. 8. Holding up excursion groups. When a tour guide says, "Be back in 10 minutes, they mean 10 minutes, not 25. Being late forces the entire group to wait, and sometimes causes people to miss scheduled activities. 7. Getting drunk and making a scene. Cruise bars are fun, but overdoing it leads to loud arguments, messy behavior, and disruptions. Nobody wants to deal with an overly intoxicated passenger during dinner or late-night shows. 6. Cutting in front during photos with ship photographers. Photo stations get crowded before dinner. Cutting ahead or hogging the photographer for 20 poses irritates everyone in line. Be quick, be polite, and let others enjoy their turn. 5. Ignoring pool rules. Jumping into crowded pools, splashing people, or allowing kids to run wild can annoy fellow passengers fast. Cruise pools are small, and everyone appreciates a little courtesy. 4. Saving spots at shows and never using them. Showrooms fill up quickly. Passengers get upset when half the good seats are saved with jackets or purses, but no one ever arrives. If your group isn't there, don't block seats. 3. Being rude about personal space. Leaning over people at the railing, squeezing into hot tubs without asking, or standing too close during crowded events makes others uncomfortable. On a ship, everyone is packed together. Respect boundaries. 2. Being that person complaining about everything. Some passengers complain non-stop. The food, the cabin, the weather, the pool temperature, everything. This negativity spreads quickly and ruins the vibe for everyone around them. Cruises are meant to be fun, relax, and enjoy. 1. Not washing hands before the buffet. The #1 cruise sin that everyone hates. Ships take sanitation seriously because one sick person can infect hundreds. Skipping the hand washing station isn't just rude, it's dangerous. The crew and passengers notice, and they do not appreciate it. 3. Outro. Smooth ending plus call to action. So there you have it, the 15 cruise passenger mistakes that instantly ruin your reputation on board. If you avoid these habits, not only will fellow passengers appreciate you, but the crew will too. Cruises are all about relaxing, having fun, and respecting everyone around you. If you enjoyed this countdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more cruise tips, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. And let me know in the comments, which cruise habit annoys you the most? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.